guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look. So mag-add tayo ng mga makeup tutorials since napansin ko na medyo wala na akong mga makeup tutorials on this channel. So yun guys, if you are following my basic tutorials, please watch them. And after nito, meron tayo uling series which is a surprise na lang. So yun guys, without further ado, let's get started on the makeup tutorial on this look. So ayan, kumakaway na naman si Roxy and gagawa na naman tayo ng makeup look today, but this time voice over muna tayo cause I miss voice over tutorials. I hope you do too. So yun, naglagay ako ng illuminating primer here, but I also moisturized my face before that. Now I'll be using this mattifying mist from Luxe Organix. Yan. Tapos do this kind of face dahil nasobrahan. And now I'll be color correcting this redness and pimple marks in between my brows and some other areas of my face. So usually dyan talaga ako tinutubuan ng mga pimples, and we need to hide that. So for this look, mapapansin nyo na konting beses lang akong gumamit ng brushes kasi for this look, mas magical talaga yung effect kapag fingers lang ang gagamitin kasi it melts down the products on the skin to make it more flawless looking. Mostly I do this on my base. So now I'll be using this Maybelline Fit concealers. Yung isa is dark and yung isa is light. So I'll be putting this on the areas I want to highlight and to the areas that I want to conceal, like my bags and my pimple marks. And then after that, I'll be blending this concealer with my fingers. So usually, nakita ko sa ibang mga makeup gurus na fingers nila yung pinang-blend nila ng kanilang concealers. Because for them, it is easier to blend since it melts down on the skin. It melts down on the skin because of the warmth of our fingers. That's why. And for them, it's easier to blend this way. Honestly, I'm not usually doing this kind of technique, but this is really good on this kind of looks. You know, parang skin mo lang magiging lapat ng magiging concealer natin. For me, it takes a while to blend this out since you need to make sure na well blended yung concealer natin to make it more like our skin, but better. So guys, by the way, this look doesn't require a foundation, so you need to make sure that everything looks blended on your skin. So you need to make sure that everything is blended seamlessly from your skin to the concealer. Now I am highlighting the highest points of my face using this concealer and blending it with my fingers as well. By the way guys, highlighting and contouring is part of our basic series. So if you wanna know how to contour and highlight your face, make sure that you're already subscribed on my channel. If you're not used to not using foundation, you can use tinted moisturizer. So sabi ko nga kanina, it takes a while to blend this out. And I'm just making sure na everything is blended on my face and no creases at all. So now, setting powder. If you're thinking that I'm gonna set my whole face with this, you're wrong. Because I'm just gonna set my brows with this since it got all oily already. And now, after that, I'll be using this brow soap from SZN Cosmetics. I sprayed with Luxe Organix Mattifying Mist to make it soapy. Using that foam from the brow soap, we will be doing a bushy brow, the ever-trending bushy brow. And after that, we'll be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Soft Brown. And I'll be doing a hair strokes on our brows. Yun. So, okay lang na maging messy itong part na to kasi ililinis naman natin siya ng concealer. But on this part, make sure na medyo malinis na tong area na to kasi medyo mahirap siyang linisin because of the brow soap. I'll be having a brow tutorial as well, so make sure to subscribe. Okay, going back to this concealer, I'll be cleaning that edges kung may mga sobra, may mga lampas. So, this time lilinisin natin yan. Next is this URCCI blusher, and this one is a bit glowy since we are on the glowy route. Ayan, medyo may glow siya ng konti. Parang highlighting effect, ganon. And then, I'll be topping that with this blush topper from Makeup Revolution Ultra Palette. Yun. It's up to you kung gaano ka-glowy yung gusto mong maging. Now, using the same palette, using the same shade, I'll be putting that on the middle of my lids. And then, using this Morphe 24G palette, choosing that shade on the outer corners, and blending it all throughout my crease. As every makeup artist say, blending is key sa mga eyeshadow. It's really true. So, if you want to achieve a flawless, seamless, and perfect blending of the eyeshadows, you need to learn how to blend properly. Bawal ang harsh lines dito. Bawal ang mga harsh. Ganun. Besides the blending, patience is also key on doing some looks. If you want to achieve it, patience is required as well. Now, using this shade, I'll be focusing it more on the outer and inner corners and then blending it on the middle crease. Yan, parang siya yung pang sandwich doon sa naunang shade and then doon sa pangalawang shade. So, if you see harsh lines, just get a clean brush and then blend it. Just keep on blending. Using that first shade we put on our lids, I'll be highlighting my brow bone with that shade. Highlighting my inner corners with the highlighting shade from the Morphe palette, pero hindi ko siya naipakita sa inyo. So, there. Connecting it a bit on the inner part of my lids. Now, curling my lashes. You all know how to curl lashes. Mascara time! I'll be using this Lash Paradise from Lore'l. Always do the wiggle motion on putting your mascara and make sure not to poke your eye. Because on that way, you'll be able to coat all your lashes. I'm not going to use lashes on this look to make it more natural. So, what happened here is hindi nag-record yung phone. Nag-stop siya, nag-lag siya. So, hindi ko na-videohan yung contouring, yung highlighting, and yung under eye shadows. So, now, we're almost done. Napabilis yung ating makeup tutorial. This video is a mess. I'm sorry, guys. I'm spraying my chest with this mattifying mist from Luxe Organix to make that highlight pop. Highlighting my collarbone with this and then my shoulders para glowy looking talaga and young looking tayo. Cha? So before that happened, I just contoured my nose with the Maybelline Brow Trio. I'm not sure what they called it, and I highlight my face with this Makeup Revolution, yung nasa baba ng white shade. Okay guys, so there you are. Okay guys, so there you go. Ito na yung finished look natin. So yun guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. As I have mentioned a while ago, kung sumusunod kayo sa mga basic series ng ating channel, please do, kasi meron tayong susunod na upload sa ating basic series. And yun guys, if you like this video, alam mo na ang gagawin. Click that like button down there, and kung di ka pa nagsusubscribe sa channel ko, since andi dito ka naman na, ano pang ginagawa mo? Pindutin mo na yung subscribe button and yung bell button as well, and click all so that updated kayo sa lahat ng mga videos na i-upload ko in the future. Kanina pa tong buhok. And kung may suggestions kayo ng mga challenges or kung ano para pwede natin gawin dito sa channel ko, i-comment nyo lang dyan sa baba. So yun guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye!